What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a pair of Air Max 90s that were recently released on Finish Line and JD Sports. These retail for $130, and JD Sports and Finish Line were the only two stores that I found that were actually selling these. And I haven't really seen too many reviews online, so I figured that since I copped them because I thought it was a dope colorway, I'd give you guys a review and we'll take an up close look at these, and if you want them, I think there's still some sizes available. The Air Max 90 is one of my favorite silhouettes that Nike makes. The comfortability and the stylishness of this shoe keeps me buying pairs over and over again. And if you look at the market, you can see that they are a lot of people's favorite as well. They've been around for a long time, and you could pretty much throw any colorway on this silhouette and there's going to be somebody who appreciates it. If this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you could do that thing that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss any content. So about a week and a half ago, I'm just going through my news feed and all of a sudden, boom, these Air Max 90s pop up for sale. And I was like, oh, that's a dope colorway. So I click on it, it was at Finish Line, and it was $130. And I'm like, $130 for Air Max 90 is a little bit much, but it's a dope colorway, so I'm gonna cop this. So it just came in the mail and we're gonna show it to you now. So here, this comes in your OG Nike red and white box. And this is a size 8.5 personal pair, and the size tag reads white university red. Open up the lid, you got your white tissue paper. Bam! So on the original details of the description when I bought these, it said that it was red, like university red, white, and it said it had like a bluish color, which I don't see on here. This all looks black to me. Black, red, and white basically on the whole entire colorway. So maybe it was just a misprint or something, but nonetheless, this is a dope colorway, and I mean, in hand, looks really dope. So let's take an up close look at these. So here's our first up close look at the Air Max 90. Now starting at the top, you do have this mesh material here. And then you have your red eyelids at the top, followed by your black ones right here. Now this Nike symbol here in the middle is actually pretty cool. It's like a clear / very light silver, and it does have like a snakeskin kind of image in it. And here at your toe box, you have that mesh material again. And you have your leather that wraps around the toe box. Then you have this black part that goes all the way up here. It says Nike Air right here and fades into this red where it says Air Max. Then you have this like white painted part right here with this black, which sets that off really nicely with your light smoke gray air pocket. Behind the shoe, you do have that mesh material again that goes all the way around this. And then you have your Nike Air tab, and it's all in red here with black lettering. And then here you have like a mesh material, very cloth-like tongue. And you have your Nike Air Max tag right here, which they say is removable, which I haven't been able to figure out how to do that. It is definitely threaded in. So here is a very up close look at this tongue. Now, like I said, that description said that this was interchangeable and removable, but as you can tell, it has threading all the way around it. So I don't see a way to take this off. If I'm just an idiot and I'm missing something here, guys, please drop a comment below, because I would really like to know. Because I have seen these done in the past on other shoes, but I don't know, the information is lacking on the internet, and I'm just not too familiar with that. So if you guys could help me out, or if they just got the description wrong, please let me know. Thanks, guys. But one thing I like very much so far is the shoelaces. It has this black dots that go all through the shoelaces, which gives it a very nice subtle touch. Inside the shoe, it says Nike Air, and it does have a white sock liner. And here behind the tongue is the tag, and you can see what it says right there. If there's one thing that I really don't like so far is that this shoe has a predominantly white bottom. You do have your red up here, and then you have the red in the middle here. But, you know, a white bottom's going to get super dirty super fast, and it's just going to look ugly. You know, I'm pretty annoyed with the description from Finish Line. I mean, like, it was totally bad. You know, the color that they said it was definitely not any blue in here. Maybe I'm colorblind, but I really doubt it. And, you know, the whole thing with the tag, too. But overall, I mean, like, guys, this colorway is nice, so I'm not, like, really mad. But $130 for a pair of Air Max 90s, like, they gotta be super dope to be charging that, you know, unless they're custom. But anyways, I'm gonna throw these on, and we're gonna do some on feet. So overall, I really do like the shoe. The colorway is super dope. The shoe is very comfortable. It's true to size. It definitely falls in line with all the other Air Max 90s that we all love. If you're interested in picking up this colorway, I did see some pairs in some sizes still available on JD Sports, and they retail for $130. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this shoe, and if you planning on copping it or did you cop it. If you like the shoe, let me know. If you hate the shoe, let me know. We're not shy over here. I'd like to thank you all for watching. We recently hit 275 subscribers. We're moving on to that road to 500, guys. I can't thank you enough. Before you bounce out, if you can destroy that like button for me, it really does help the channel out. And if you're new or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss any content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And until next video, peace.